How financially fit are you, really? This video will help you find out. You'll go through 10 insightful questions designed to help you reflect on your financial habits, decisions, and mindset. By the end of the quiz, you'll have a clear picture of your current financial health and know exactly where you stand on the path toward financial freedom. Here's how it works. You'll be given 10 multiple-choice questions. For each question, pause the video if needed to think carefully before choosing your answer. Be honest with yourself. There are no right or wrong answers. This is a self-assessment. Each option has a score. At the end, you'll add up your points to see your final result. Your score will reveal what stage you're currently in and what steps you can take next to improve your finances. So grab a pen and paper or take notes on your phone, and let's begin your financial checkup. Let's start. Question 1. How often do you create a monthly budget? I don't budget at all. Sometimes, but I don't stick to it. I track expenses without a formal budget. I create and follow a detailed monthly budget. Question 2. How much of your monthly income do you save? Spring don't save anything. Less than 5%. Between 5% and 15%, more than 15%. Question 3. Do you have an emergency fund? No emergency fund at all. Less than 1 month of expenses. 1 to 3 months of expenses. More than 3 months of expenses. Question 4. How do you handle unexpected expenses? I borrow from friends or family. I use credit cards or loans. I reduce other expenses. I use my emergency savings. Question 5. What is your current debt situation? Overwhelming, I can't keep up. I pay minimums only. I'm actively reducing it. I'm debt-free or nearly debt-free. Question 6. How do you manage your financial goals? I don't have any goals. I think about goals but don't plan. I've set goals but rarely follow them. I regularly plan and review my goals. Question 7. Do you invest any of your income? No, I don't invest at all. I want to, but haven't started. I invest small amounts. I invest consistently. Question 8. How often do you review your financial status? Rarely or never. Only during financial stress, every few months, monthly or weekly. Question 9. How do you feel about your current financial situation? Constantly stressed, occasionally worried, mostly confident, very secure and in control. Question 10. Do you have multiple income sources? Only one, and it's unstable. Only one, but it's stable. 2 sources of income. More than 2 reliable sources. Now add up your points. Pause the video if you need time. Let's see what your score says about your financial level. If your score is between 10 and 15 points, you have a financial emergency. You live paycheck to paycheck. You have no room for the unexpected. You need urgent action. If your score is between 16 and 22 points, you are financially unstable. You have good intentions but lack structure and consistency. If your score is between 23 and 29 points, you are building a financial foundation. You're in progress. You're already doing some things well, but you still have room for improvement. If your score is between 30 and 35 points, you are financially confident. You manage your money well, are prepared for unexpected events, and have clear goals. If your score is between 36 and 40 points, you are financially empowered. Advanced level, you have complete control, saving, investing, and planning for the future. Now that you know your financial level, what's the next step? Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more personal finance tools.